This world is small, but full of things that we will never know. Answers to questions.
wait for the young to have their say. By the time that we think to run, it's too late and our bodies crumble just like quiet buildings at the dusk. In my mind, there's a place clean and sure like an easy day. So sorry that I left you out. I didn't think that you could last here living in a cold so pristine. Does it tear you up to think of what you did?
This world is small, but full of things that we will never know. Answers to questions we try to find, the reason that we live and why we die. But I know what I've seen, simple mystery. So come on, babe, let's not waste a moment or another day with answers to questions. Let's live our lives, finding a meaning of a different kind. I know